I remember one of my friend called me and he offered me a business opportunity. He said, Tausif, why don't we go ahead and become partners and start our business? And I tried to understand what he was trying to offer, and because I was also involved in the job, so I booked a call with him and I said, okay, let's go ahead and talk on the weekend. And he discussed about his business model, which I liked, but due to certain other things in which I was involved, other assignments, other projects, I had to say no to him. And he found some other partners and he hired employees, he had system and resources, he arranged funds, and he was still in contact with me because I was offering him all the knowledge that I had to support him morally. All of a sudden, he was not in touch with me for about 6 to 7 months. And I also could not get time to call him and ask his well-being and about his business and how he was going through the situations and all. And one fine day, I remember it was a Friday night and I was almost going to bed. He texted me one thing and he said, Tausif, I lost everything. And all of a sudden, I was shocked to see his message, and I assumed that something would have happened. That is the reason my friend is texting to me like this, which he never did before. So I was very curious. I immediately called him back. He did not pick my call. And I texted him, what happened? Kindly pick my call. Let me discuss with you what happened. And I again called him. And after repeated attempts, he answered my call. And he was so frustrated and so sad. He said, Tausif, the business that I started failed miserably. I had to sell my car, I had to sell my home and other assets that I had, and I am in deep trouble. And I happened to ask what happened. He said that the business that I started, I had a little knowledge, but I was very confident at the beginning. But I arranged all the resources, I arranged the money, but people who were with me left me, and the business that I started did not find the customers, and it collapsed, and I don't have any land to stay, and I am in deep trouble. So how many times have you heard that if you do not plan well, if you don't know your why, if you don't know why are you starting the business and you don't have a proper strategy, you fail? You will be surprised to know that more than 90% of the businesses fails within first year. Another 5% fails within 4 to 5 years, and only 5% businesses survives. In this video today, I'm going to talk about a conventional method of doing a business and unconventional method of doing a business. Why most of the startup fails is because we try to follow the conventional method of doing the business. So the conventional method formula is do, have, become. It means we will do the business first, we will have the results, and then we will be called a businessman. So this is a conventional method, a conventional formula. And in most of the cases, we try to follow others. We try to follow the business models of others without listening to our intuition, without listening to our heart, without caring for our deep cause because of which we want to start the business. So this is a conventional method, and most of the businesses fails even before they start because of they follow the conventional method. I'm going to discuss about the unconventional method of doing the business. The unconventional method of doing the business is become, do, have. Now what do I mean by this? Now in order to start a business, you have to become a businessman first. I mean that you have to learn the business first. You need to learn the entrepreneurship. You have to become a businessman in your mind first before you actually become a businessman. So if you really want to start an entrepreneurship journey, if you really want to start any business that you want to do, first of all, try to understand why do you want to start a business? What is that deep problem that you're trying to solve? And that is actually a problem existing in this world, and you will make the difference in the society. So what is that cause and belief? And then if you understand that problem, and on a journey to solve that problem, start accumulating that knowledge, skill required to solve that problem. Because you cannot be dependent on others to do your business. That is one of the biggest mistakes that most of the people do. So all the relevant and essential skills to start the business should be learned first, and then you should plan your business. So become a businessman within your mind. Then do. Once you know why you want to start the business, you have a strategy and plan, you have all the required relevant skills within you, then you do the business. And once you do the business, of course you are going to have the results, because you know what is your target audience, you know that there is a deep problem in the world that you want to solve, and that you know that there is a gap and nobody is able to fill that gap. I hope you loved this unconventional method of doing the business. Try to follow this. Don't try to jump into doing any business by following others, by looking at others. Rather, listen to your heart, understand why you want to start a business, try to figure out whether there is a demand in the market, try to figure out what is your target audience, try to figure out their needs, their desire, their fears. If you really care to become a businessman, then you will first of all become a businessman within your mind. And there will be least chances that your startup will fail. So if you have any thought, you feel otherwise, I would want you to leave in the comment section. I'll be happy to hear from you as well. So this is your friend Tausif Hasan signing off until we meet again.